What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nate with Underdog Spraying. Thank you guys for tuning in first and foremost. So what we did today was me and Nate, we went out to go spray. I had to put a new alternator in my truck. So what I wanted to do is, as we rode together, it was an opportune time for me to get footage of our lawns and to show you how clean they were. I know I talk a lot about making sure the properties are clean in the winter time. This is the best time to get them done. So this is the first property. I think we did 15 today. You can see how gold the lawn is. This is what you want on all your properties. You want to put the glyphosate down now while the Bermuda is dormant and get all the weeds off. You don't want no green on the property at all. This is property number 2 for today. We're in another neighborhood right here, and this neighborhood is mainly very pristine, very nice houses. This is the back of the property. You can see I'm gonna keep going back to kind of show how it looks. They need to cut it. A lot of dog poop and feces back there. I mean, you got to do the best of what you have. This is the front. See the big black spot. Excuse my finger as well. See, we're definitely spraying heavy now, trying to clean everything up before February. That black spot is centipede. The goal is to get rid of the centipede and have it all Bermuda if possible. This is property number 3, nice and clean. That's what you want on your properties. You want no green on there, henbit, clover, whatever. Get it all off while you have the opportunity, while everything is dormant. Moving on to the next property, number 4. This is all one neighborhood now. This lawn is pretty clean. As you can see, there's still some snow on the property, but we still had to get out there and get it because we didn't want to get behind. When you have a lot of customers, you have to stay on top of them, especially if you're on a 30-day rotation. So we just sprayed around the snow. But for the most part, we was able to cover the whole property, get the pre-emergent down. Like I said in the previous video, we're now using simazine. I'm sorry, prodiamine. Simazine was from August up until December. Now we're preparing for the summer weeds, the warm season weeds. So now we have the prodiamine down. This right here is property number 4, if I'm not mistaken, in this particular neighborhood. This lawn was covered in crabgrass all over the place. And these properties are on the corner in this nice neighborhood. So very detrimental for us to make sure we clean it up now and don't run into the same thing we ran into last year. But as you can see, it's nice and clean, nice and gold. This is an indication of what the lawn is going to look like in the springtime. Here's another property here. What I wanted to show you guys on this particular property, now you'll see a couple big black spots on the lawn right here. That's centipede. The identifier shows it as centipede or St. Augustine, but those black spots, that's a turf that we do not want. What we want is, we want all Bermuda. So we're trying to get rid of the centipede or St. Augustine now so the Bermuda can take over. This is the other side of the same property. You still see some of those St. Augustine or centipede spots. Hopefully, like I said, we can get rid of those now and let that Bermuda take over. That's the lawn, the front side over there. You can see where it's completely gold. That's how we want it, nice and gold. This is why it's so important to spray the lawns during the winter time. You don't want to wait till January. If you can get the customers to get on the program and get it knocked out, get it pre-emergent down and clean the lawn up in December, January, that's what you want to do. This is another property in the neighborhood. She came on board, I think, around the middle of 2024. Her lawn has been taken real good, so we're definitely excited about that, especially when the lawns respond pretty fast. As you can see, Nate spraying. I slowed the video down so you guys can, I guess, soak it in, and I can slow down. I don't have to talk too fast, but I can kind of let you know what's going on. This is the other side of the same property. See the snow in the back? We just move around that, but for the most part, the lawn is snow free. Watch out for the trees. If you can, tell your customers, get rid of those trees. Those roots spread through the lawn and just kind of stop the growth. But looking good. This is property number 7. We had 6 in that last neighborhood, but this is property number 7. I think we did 14 to 15 that day together. But as you can see, this lawn is nice and gold as well. So this lets me know that the treatment that we're putting down is actually working. If you get behind the 8 ball and you have, green weeds on the lawn, even now, today is January 20th. If you have green weeds on the lawn, get the glyphosate down on the Bermuda now. Not necessarily centipede or St. Augustine or anything else, but get the glyphosate down on the Bermuda now, along with the pre-emergent. I suggest prodiamine. It's going to create a good barrier to prevent those seeds from germinating. Weed seeds, that is. But as you can see, once again, this is nice and gold as well. But it's not too late to go ahead and clean the lawn up to get ready for the spring season in about 2 months. But once again, thanks for watching. Keep on tuning in. We'll have more coming. Underdog.